C for cat. C for cake. C for cup. C for candle. C for car. C for crab. C for cow. C for coat. C for cap. C for camera. C for comb. C for camel. C for crocodile.